It's time to upgrade my Gigabyte A16 gaming laptop, which I use for video editing. I'm putting another 16 stick of memory in and another M2 hard drive, a 2TB one. So here we go, let's have a look at this. Looks like there's 11 screws all the way around, so I'm going to take those out and then I'm going to choose, let me have a look. Nope. I'm going to choose this very thin plastic prizer to prise the back off, and then I'll come back to you. I've decided to take the battery out because there's still, when I go underneath, even though I've pulled it quite a way out, it's still powering on. So I'm going to take, I've done the 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to take the battery out just so I can get the cable out there. The cable's out properly now, so I'll just leave that sitting there. We can slip it back in a moment. Right, this is my new RAM, which slotted in nice and easy. That goes this way up. That's the old RAM, which is face down, and they both happen to be just about the same type. Well, I've just had a look. That's a 5600. This is 5200. I'm sure I read that as 5200. Anyway, we'll see how we go on. I've just going to put the hard drive in here when I've put the heat pads on. So here's my little hard drive. I'll put that there for now, and I've got some little heat pads. I just got some 1mm heat pads because I'm not putting a metal cover on anything, and you could just cut them and put them on these parts, but I've put them right across. That's pushed gently into there, drop down onto the screw hole. I'm just going to put a screw in, put the battery back, and then check everything. I did check this, as I said earlier. I did it in a little SSD enclosure, so hopefully the RAM's okay as well. We'll check it very shortly. Make sure it's dual. It's picked up both of them. Right, as you can see, I go to memory. DDR5, 32 gigabytes. It was 16 to start with. 4x32 means it's dual, so that's fine. SPD slot 1 and slot 2. Yeah, it's showing one is 5200 and slot 1 is 5600, but that's not a problem. So that's good. Now we'll check the hard drive, and we'll use Crystal, Crystal Disk Info for that. Yes, I did reformat it as a simple drive, so it'll show up now. There we go. So it's showing up as the original one's a Kingston, and the new one is WD Black SN7100, and all the information it's got is good. Or it was when I checked it before I put it in, but this shows it's there anyway. So we've got C and the new one, which I've changed to D. Good health status, etc. So that was successful, and it probably took me about 15 minutes. If this has helped you in any way, please give us a like and subscribe. Thank you very much.